Snacks video not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Snacks video application not working. If your Snacks video is not working, then this video will be absolutely for you. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit that red color subscribe button and then press the bell icon so that you will get the most interesting and the informative videos every day. So let's get started. First of all, if here I will show you some tips that you can apply, and you can just fix the problem. You can fix the bugs and the hesitates. So what you have to do here, first of all, go to your Google Play Store and then just simply type for the application name. So here you can see here, this is the application. So guys, you have to check whether your application is been updated or not. So after updating this application, you will find an update option here. So as I've already updated, I don't need to update. So after updating, you can check whether it is working or not. So if it is working, then it's fine. And guys, if it is not working, then what do you need to do here? I'm gonna show you the next tricks. And also please check your network connection, it is well good or not. So if it is good, then okay, you can try it out and you can check it out whether it is working or not. And the next tips which I'm going to say you here is that you have to simply uninstall this application once, and then you can reinstall it. And then after reinstalling, when you log in into the account, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So I hope these three steps will help you out. But if this problem doesn't work, if this solution doesn't work, then what you can do for the next step, you have to go to your phone settings. Okay, so basically here, after going to your phone settings, what you have to do, I'm gonna show you here. You have to go to your software updates option. So you will get this on your phone on the settings option. So after going to the software updates of, or you will find in about phone section also. So here you have to check whether your phone is asking for any updates or not. So if your phone is asking, if your device is asking for an update, you have to update your phone. So after updating your phone, you have to restart your phone, and then you have to check it out whether it is working or not, whether the Snacks video is working or not. So if it is working, then it's super cool. And if it is not working, then the next tips which I'm going to show you here is you have to simply click on app management on the settings. You will find on your phone settings app management, install apps or something related to apps. So you will find the app list here. So guys, here you will find the whole application that has been installed in your phone. So here you will find a search bar on the top, and then you have to search for SNACK, snack video. So here you can see snack video. So here what you have to do here, you have to click on this force stop button, and then here you have to stop the force. So after stopping the force, you have to click on this storage usage, and then you have to clear all the data and also the cache. So after doing this, you have to restart your phone and then reopen the application. I am sure 110% this bug will help you out, this problem will be solved. And then these were the tricks you can apply. And also I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching guys. Please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, and please one thumbs up. Thanks for watching.